US President Donald Trump has imposed tariffs on a number of products from various countries. Let's understand who really pays the price, taking one simple example of coffee. So, impact of US coffee tariffs, we will understand it through maths. So, here's the scenario. A US roaster imports 10,000 bags of Brazilian coffee. The base price for these bags is $200 per bag. Shipping is $20 per bag, and there is overhead, roaster overhead, or you can say margin of $80 per bag. So before tariff, the price of each of these coffee bags were $200 base price plus $20 shipping plus $80 overhead margin. Therefore, before tariff, each bag of coffee is $300. Now there is 50% tariff on the base price, $200. 50% of base price will be $100. So new price will be 300 plus 100. That means $400 is the new base price. $400 is the new price of each of this coffee bag. Now each bag yields 800 cups and they are sold at $3.50 per cup. So this is the retail price. Okay. So the import cost is, tariff per bag is $100. Landed cost per bag we calculated $320. Total landed cost of 10,000 bags will be $3.2 million, and all in cost per bag with overhead will be $400. So total all in cost is $4 million. So before tariff it was $3.2 million. After tariff it is now $4 million. Now let's calculate the per cup economics. Now cost per cup is $0.50 because we have total 800 cups in one bag. So 800 cups in $400. One cup will be in 400 by 800 using unitary method. That means 0.50. This is the cost of one cup. Tariff portion per cup is 0.125. How did we calculate this? Tariff per cup is $100 tariff on each bag divided by 800 cups. That gives us $0.125. So this is the tariff portion per cup. Gross profit per cup earlier was $3 because cost per cup is 0.50 and retailers used to sell them at $3.50. So the profit was $3, but now they have to add this tariff also, so there will be less profit. Now there are different scenarios. Case 1, when full pass through consumers, the entire cost is passed to the consumers. So consumers pay $1 million total. $100 is the tariff times 10,000 bags equals to $1 million entirely passed on to the consumers. Second case is importer absorbs, then importer will lose this $1 million. Third case is there is 50-50 split. Some of the amount is absorbed by the importer bears some of the loss, and then consumers lose $500,000. And then case 4 is pass through plus 10% demand drop. Why there will be 10% demand drop? There is a concept called elasticity. Whenever the price rises, the demand falls. If price of petrol will rise, then demand for cars will fall. It works like this. If there is rise in the price of coffee, the demand will drop, and assume that there is 10% demand drop, the revenue fall will be approximately $1.9 million. Then the roaster profit will also fall and it will be now $2.5 million. That means 800,000 fewer cups will be sold. Now let's calculate the deadweight loss. So most important thing to understand is that tariff redistributes money but doesn't create value. This belief by the policymakers in Trump administration that money will start flowing to the American treasury, it doesn't work like this. There is real economic loss because there will be fewer cups sold. So approx deadweight loss will be 0.5 times price rise times quantity drop. So $50,000 of loss to one roaster. We have tried to understand this basic economics through a single product, coffee. There are many other products with which many other products are aligned. For example, price of steel. With price of steel If price of steel rises, price of construction rises, price of cars rises, so many things are aligned with those products. We will try to understand that in a different video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any more question, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching.